going on, everybody? Rez back here again. We got the M3 right here, and today what we're gonna be doing is I'm gonna be doing like a quick little sound clips and review of my Borla S-type exhaust. Again, you can pick these up for around 3,000, 3,300, brand new. However, I did say, just like I stated before, that I got this on the forums. I got it for a really good deal, about like $1,000 and then $200 shipping. So I got it for a great deal, and today we're just gonna go over a few clips and how it looks like. So I'm gonna take you over to the back of the car right quick, just so you can see how it looks. It's a bright sunny day here in Chicago. Don't really see that too often, but we have right here, it is on right now. As you can see, it says Borla right there on the top, and it sounds pretty decent at idle. I wish I could show you the cold start. However, I cannot show you the cold start because I deleted that with my boot mode tune. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you a few of those things right now. So we'll go ahead and we'll do that right quick, all right? Damn, that sounded real good. We had a few there. The first one was a little bit over 3K, then we went to 4K, then 5K, and then we just went about to like 6-7K, just let it rip out there. And let me tell you, it sounded really good from the inside, and I bet it sounded even better on the outside with the camera. Hopefully we can pick it up. But what I'm gonna do right now is we're gonna do a few little driving scenes here. I'm gonna put the GoPro on and let you guys hear it from there. So let's get it. Alright, so overall you got some sound clips from the GoPro, some sound clips from drive-bys. Overall, I really like the way it sounds. There's not any little to no drone on the highway, and it's a pretty good exhaust system. I'd say if you can get it for the price it comes with, even if that seems a little bit on the high price, 3,000, I feel like it is too. If you can find it used, even better. It is a true, like, from the downpipes back, so it does include the mid-pipe section as well. So I feel like it's a little bit of a better deal than some of these exhausts that you only get the muffler part at the back from the mid-pipes back, which I think is kind of a rip-off. Might as well do the whole thing. So I really like the fact that Borla actually does that. So like I said, in my opinion, it's a decent exhaust. I hope you can make your own opinions from the videos down below. We have a little bit more to come, probably like a little bit of, like I said before, I want to do like a boot mode review over stage 1, nothing too crazy. And then we got a few parts coming in later on that I think are gonna make a big difference with the car, and I can't wait to do those. But other than that, thank you guys for watching. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe for more.